What's up mga pre and mre? For today's video, latest sound check ni Morningstar para sa service nila at Brgy.Apdo, Hamtic, Antique last December 3, 2022. Always shout out at thank you sa crew at owner ng Morningstar, sa Sepe family. Maraming salamat po mga ma'am and sir. For bookings, you can message or call them sa kanilang FB account sa may Morningstar Lights and Sound. Follow nyo na rin sila para updated kayo sa mga latest videos, updates at services po nila.
From the rising star of Western Visayas, where the mountains meet the sea, this is Morningstar of Antique, the golden titanium of T-Turbo.
I don't wanna talk about the things we've gone through. I don't wanna talk about the things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I've played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more ace to play. The winner takes all, the loser standing small beside the victory. That's a destiny.
Remix.
I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it